Jake thought $5 was too small to matter. That belief was keeping him broke.
Every morning, he bought a fancy coffee. It was just $5. On the way home, he grabbed snacks. Another $5 gone. Then came delivery apps at night. It's only a few bucks, he thought. Jake never worried about these tiny purchases. They felt harmless.
But every month, his paycheck disappeared fast. His savings stayed at zero.
He started blaming his salary. He thought he simply needed more money.
Jake worked hard every single day. Yet he never moved ahead. Bills kept coming. Stress kept growing. Kept growing. Then one night, Jake checked his bank statement. What he saw changed everything.
Coffee shops, snacks, delivery fees. Hundreds of dollars wasted.
His small spending was over $300 a month. Jake was stunned. That meant over $3,600 a year, gone on things he barely remembered buying. Jake realized something painful. It wasn't one big expense hurting him. It was the little habits he ignored every day. The silent leaks were draining his future. So Jake made one small change. He started tracking every dollar. He cut the unnecessary daily spending and saved those small amounts instead.
Weeks later, his savings started growing. For the first time, he felt in control. Jake didn't become rich overnight, but he stopped becoming poorer every day. The truth is simple. Small spending habits can quietly decide your future.